Richard Southern here in the 680 newsroom. It's petrol paying the price of gas going up again tonight. And that means by tomorrow morning, we'll be paying the highest we've seen in some 4 years. Going up a penny at midnight tonight. That'll bring the average to $1.38.9, within only about 3 cents of the all-time high set back in 2014, $1.42. Oil, the big reason the price for crude is at a 3.5-year high. This is also the time of year when we typically see elevated gas prices as the refineries switch over to their summer blended gasoline. And yes, the gas companies are taking a fatter margin, a bigger profit margin. Before we rush to blame the government, we should point out the taxes on gasoline haven't changed at all in the last 12 months. So going up again at midnight tonight, just in time for the weekend, and of course the long weekend coming up next week. Jobs numbers in today for the month of April, and it was a disappointing number. Canada lost 1,100 jobs in April when the expectation was for the gain of 20,000. Jobless rate, though, holds at a historic low, 5.8%. The details were a bit encouraging in that all the losses were for part-time jobs. We saw full-time employment grow by more than 28,000. Average wages grew by more than 3.5% as well. Of course, the big question is now this year, what is the Ontario labor market looking like? What with the minimum wage having gone up to $14 an hour on the first of the year? So let's take a look at Ontario. So for January, it was a disappointing month. 51,000 jobs lost in Ontario in January. But we've seen creation in every month since, up 15,700 in February, up 10,600 in March, and up 9,000 in April. So that means since the minimum wage went up, Ontario has lost 15,700 jobs. It's something we'll continue to watch. WestJet, a strike possible at the airline. Pilots voting 91% in favor of a strike mandate yesterday. They could walk off the job as early as May 19th, but WestJet pilots have promised not to walk off the job over the May long weekend. The two sides will continue to talk. Air Canada not missing a beat here. Air Canada says it's added capacity on key routes. Just in as well, WestJet announcing now that it will fully refund tickets in the event of a strike, and they will actually give you your money back. They won't give you a voucher or anything like that. So WestJet says if there is a strike, you can get a full refund. We're going to continue to follow this WestJet story. Mother's Day coming up on Sunday, and it looks like Canadians are going to spend the most on flowers. That's according to Interact, the debit card processor. It says flowers was the most popular gift on Mother's Day last year. Canadians spent $12.9 million on flowers in the 3 days leading up to Mother's Day. The average bill at the florist, $49.79. Don't get mom this for Mother's Day. It's a little too creepy. There's a company called Boston Dynamics, and they're doing some incredible stuff with robotics. And every couple of months, they put out a video showing their progress. Here's the latest one. Its name is Atlas, a humanoid robot walking there on 2 legs, going for a run. Looks better than I do. Wish I could run like that. But you can see it's dealing with uneven terrain, and it even finds a log in front of it. And what does it do? Not very graceful, but it jumps right over it. So Boston Dynamics making a lot of strides when it comes to these humanoid robots. Finally, an update on a story we brought you here in CityBiz yesterday. United Airlines had irked passengers by removing tomato juice from its onboard menu. Turns out tomato juice is far more popular in the sky than it is on the ground. It actually tastes better at altitude. Well, guess what, United? They didn't need another scandal. They've had a change of heart. They said our customers told us they were not happy about the removal of tomato juice, so we're bringing it back on board as part of our complimentary beverage offering. So Bloody Marys for all at 35,000 feet. Cheers. In the 680 newsroom, Richard Southern, City News.